guys, welcome to the Right Brothers channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic called variables. So what is a variable? It's just simply a memory location. Let us see an example for this. So as you know, a folder, everyone knows about what a folder is. So you might be thinking that in order to save a file, you need a folder. Similarly, when you want to save some data into something, you need a variable in C programming. So, in order to use this variable, you do have a set of rules to be followed. So, let us see what are those rules. Firstly, the variable must begin with a character. So, the character could be A, B, and so on up to Z. Next, length of the variable depends on the compiler. For example, if you use a 32-bit system, the length of the variable will be less. Or if you use a 64-bit system, it will hold the more length of the variable. Next, it should not be a C keyword. So, what is a keyword? A keyword comes under any specified word that conveys a meaning to the C compiler. So, for example, let us take, as we have discussed earlier, hash include. So, this means that it says to the compiler to include some header files into the programming for the future purposes. Similarly, we should not use to declare a variable such words during the declaration of a variable. Next, should not begin with a digit. As you know what a digit is, it should not begin with numbers like 1, 2 and so on up to 9. Of course, it should not also begin with a 0. Next, case insensitive. So you might not be knowing what case insensitive is. For example, let us take a variable declared as sum. So here I have used a small letters which is SUM without any capital letters. For example, now if I use SUM, so this sum will be taken as different from this. So it means that I have used two different variables which is consisting of small letters and the other one with the capital letters. Next, the variable should not consist of blanks and commas are not permitted. It means that whenever you are declaring, for example, let us take my name, it's Sripad K. So for K, if I use any space here, it will give an error. So you should not use any spaces, neither do commas in order to declare a variable. But even if you use any special characters, it will also show an error, except an exception for the underscore. So, if I declare the same Sripad K underscore K, this variable will be taken as a valid one. We have seen the rules to declare a variable. Now let us see the syntax to declare a variable, syntax to initialize a variable, and what are the data types that are present in C programming. Now, first of all, in order to use a variable in a programming, we need to declare it. For example, let us assume you are a human being. In order to live in this world, you need to be declared with a name. Similarly, you are going to declare to the program a variable such that saying you are going to use that variable in future in the program. Now, in order to declare a variable, first of all, you are going to specify the type of the variable and you are going to give a name to that variable. Next, so as you know, we are going to store some data into that variable. In order to store some data into that variable, we are going to initialize it with a value. For example, let us assume sum is a variable and you need to input or give some value into that variable. That is, you need to store some value into that Simply, you're just going to give equal to 10 semicolon. That's it. The 10 value will be automatically stored into the sum variable and can be used throughout the program. Next. So, data types. These are of 3 types. Basic data type, derived data type and user-defined data type. These are used to define what type of variable or what type of data that you are going to use throughout the program. For example, let us assume you are going to store a file in a folder. Similarly, this file does have some type. Example, JPEG, MP3, MP4 and so on. Similarly, while storing data, it could be a type of number or a character or something. So these are classified into 3 types: basic, derived and user-defined data types. In order to know about these 3, watch my further video which is going to be released in next, and thank you. Please share, like and comment. If you have any queries, I would be pleased if you mention those in my comments. Thank you.